And the snowstorm is disrupting air travel here at home. Miami International Airport is reporting 392 delays and 80 cancellations. At Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, there are 358 delays and 122 cancellations. And there are several causes for confusion and cancellations at the airport today. Just hours after announcing TSA PreCheck would be unavailable due to the partial government shutdown, DHS reversed course. CBS News Miami Steve Majuri is your reporter at Miami International Airport, where people are trying to dodge getting stuck.
Ever since Sunday morning, there have been delays, cancellation, confusion over TSA PreCheck being suspended and then brought back, and there was even some sticker shock when people were trying to rebook their flights. Bob and Debbie Curry are trying to get back up to Richmond. They came to the airport not knowing that the Department of Homeland Security had paused TSA PreCheck in the morning, which the couple uses when they fly.
I didn't see the news, but thanks for the information.
Luckily, TSA reversed course and said PreCheck was still available in time for their flight. How much of a hassle would that have been if your PreCheck wouldn't have worked?
Just standing in a lot longer line.
On top of that, a massive snowstorm hitting the Northeast caused at least 8,000 canceled flights throughout the country. We saw long lines at international and domestic checkpoints. Debbie tried rebooking an earlier flight to avoid getting lumped into that group of people getting stuck at the airport.
Just to avoid possible cancellation, and like the cheapest amount was $2,500.
We looked at American Airlines' app and couldn't find any available one-way flights to New York City or Boston area airports. We found one one-way flight to Philadelphia, which was $2,300. And some one-way flights from Miami to Washington, D.C. were between $2,200 and nearly $2,700. We asked American Airlines why the flights were so expensive. We didn't get a response.
It's kind of put a lot of people here in a bind, I would say.
James Airy is flying back to Dallas. He's happy he's not near the storms, but he says the flight costs heading up there are much more than the 2 tickets he and his wife paid for combined.
We can get a flight from Dallas to Malaysia for about $2,800. And so that's flying international. So we're talking about pricing for domestic almost equivalent to the price of international. Doesn't make sense.
Dozens of flights have already been canceled here at MIA on Sunday, and with the big storm in the Northeast, those delays and cancellations are expected to carry over into Monday. FlightAware says that over 5,000 flights already across the country have already been canceled because of the storm. At MIA, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.